Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be starting a new series. We're going to try to document this throughout the whole process. We've got us a new car that we are in the process of building. We bought it as a roller. It's basically just bare roller, chassis, body, no front end or anything. It's got steel doors. He has the front end support, grill, all that kind of stuff. But we're not going to use that. We're not going to try to make this all steel, all glass. We're going to put a whole front end on it and all that kind of stuff. But we're just going to document kind of going through this thing and getting everything kind of built and to what we want it to be, and getting it ready for 2026 season. We figured it's going to take all year, and just to make sure that we've got everything right and the way we want it. And but I will show you all the car here in a minute. But right now we're just working on kind of cutting out some of the extra sheet metal and different stuff like that was left on there that we're going to redo. We've kind of talked with Matt over at Performance Fab. Got a game plan on this thing, so we're going to kind of get it kind of cut out what we need to cut out and stuff, get it ready for him to do his magic on it. We've talked about moving the engine back a little bit, but we'll have to kind of figure that out, get good measurements and everything once he gets it, and see exactly where we want to place the engine. So it is a 4-link car. It's got 10 soldiers, low prep or radial style 4-link brackets on it. That'll work pretty good. It does have a carbon fiber in your roll bar, so that's pretty nice to already have that kind of stuff on there. Ronji shocks and Mincer front shocks on it. This was a pretty competitive car. It was a leaf spring car. The guy we bought it from bought it and then back halved it all and turned it into a 4-link. So it is going to be a 25.1. Pretty much all the work's done as far as firewall back. We are going to be redoing the firewall area and maybe make it a double frame rail. We're not 100% sure on that yet. We're still kind of discussing our options there and figuring out exact plan for the car. But it is still a stock front suspension. It's got a Smith front end on it that they did tie into the main hoop and stuff, or the front down bars and stuff. We are going to be redoing some of that just for turbo placement, but it is still going to stay stock front suspension. And but I'll get y'all set up and we'll get to cutting. Alright guys, so we're kind of about done for today. We're going to stop off, go do some dinner with the family, stuff like that. Made some pretty good progress, got just about everything cut out. Still need to go back and do some finished grinding, kind of smooth things up, get rid of some of the places where the sheet metal spot welded in areas. But we got just about all the brackets cut off that we need. Basically down to bare chassis and outer shell. So pretty happy with our progress today. We'll get with Matt, see when we can see about getting a car over to him. Maybe try to bring y'all along with us when we drop the car off and different things like that. We'll see kind of how things are going at that time. But I'll flip y'all around, kind of show y'all progress that we've made so far. So we've got the firewall pretty much cut out all the way across, leaving just enough lip to be able to mount the windshield. Got all the floors cut out from pinch weld on each side. We started cutting the old mid plate mounts off and starting getting them ground up. We'll cut the factory style mounting horns off each side. I'm just trying to get as much room as we can, and that cutting the mounting horns off. So I guess I'll just about conclude today's video. We'll see when we get back working on this thing. Shouldn't be too much left to do. Just finish up cleaning some of those brackets and areas where we cut out. But we'll keep y'all updated along through the process, and hopefully make some big progress here soon. Thank y'all for tuning in, and if you haven't, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. But we'll see y'all next time.